Let's go on the bus.
Yay, bus!
Bus, 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 bus.
Yay, bus! Come in.
Hey, you're squishing me.
No, out of the way. Let's make a pyramid. Yay!
What happens if one touches you? Who are you? I'm you. Attention every Tsum. We have had a slime outbreak and now there are many slimes outside. Does anyone know someone who can get rid of these slimes?
I know a whale that can squish the slimes.
Go Welly!
1 slime down, 6 more to go.
Meow, yay! Well, you got it defeated. There are 2 Stitches.
Congratulations, Stitches.
We still have to find Welly again.
Let's check that cave.
I will go.
Slime, run! Attention everyone, we have held this meeting to discuss a plan to defeat the slimes. Can you think of any ideas? We have an idea. We can be in groups to defeat the slimes. You can assign the groups for us.
Mickey, what about the raccoon?
He has Welly.
Alright, groups of 3.
Group 1, assigned to the ice slime. Alice, Elsa, and Olaf. Group 2, water group. The 2 Stitches and the donkey. Group 3, the group of winds. You are Bunga, Mary, and Dumbo. Group 4, Daisy, Donald, and Goofy. Group of electricity. Last of all, me, Minnie, and Pluto. We are the group of crabs.